Hi everyone, welcome again to YouTube channel. My name is Shubham Y Shah. In today's video, we are going to discuss an amazing opportunities in the domain of web development and data analytics. First of all, we will be discussing about the front-end development opportunity. Then after on, we will be moving to backend, and after that, we will be going for the data analytics internship part. So if you are a college student or present looking for opportunities and also from the comfort of your home, then this video is for you. I will be telling you step by step that how to apply, what should be the right pathway for the application, what all questions you need to answer. All the things will be covered in today's video. So make sure that you are watching this video till end. If you are looking for a paid internship opportunity, then you can contact me or my team on WhatsApp or LinkedIn. I will be giving you referral for opportunity for our partners company. So make sure that you are connecting with me on LinkedIn and also contacting our team. I will be giving you all the benefits from my side, whichever is possible for you, and based upon your profile, I will also be giving you some of the best opportunity currently available in the market. So if you are new to our channel, then I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. I am repeating again and again because you all are watching the video but you are not subscribing and following us on the social media. Guys, your support is very appreciated. We need your support to grow in our domain. So please support us in our journey. It won't be charged any penny. All the platform or OTTs are charging for subscription, but YouTube is the only platform where you can subscribe to any channel for free. Later on, you can also join the channel, but for now, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So without wasting further time, we will be going to our screener. Before that, one more quick announcement to share with you. We already created WhatsApp channel and Telegram discussion group for you and all the likely minded people like you, where you can chat and follow all the latest trending opportunities. You can also apply. You can also chat on the in the group. Also, you can make connection, build network, build projects, and many more, and plenty of opportunities is waiting for you. So, you are a college student or fresher or a working professional. Doors are open to join. So, without wasting further time, I will be moving to screener, and all the links and the current notification will be shared in the group itself. So, make sure to join and follow. So, let's go to our screener. Hi everyone, welcome again to YouTube channel. As you can see that we are on the platform where we have to seek an amazing opportunity in the domain of web development. Firstly, starting with the front end development, the company providing this opportunity is School Bus 2.0 and it is in Nashik, India. It is totally remote opportunity from the comfort of your place. You can do this you can grab this opportunity. Stipend offering for this particular opportunity is 5k to 15k per month. Duration of this internship is 3 months with 5 to 7 hours per day. The candidates who will be getting selected, you have to join on the immediate basis, and openings are only two. I recommend you to apply for the opportunity if you are good fit. After watching this video, we will be sharing you all the direct application link in the video description itself. This opportunity come with the job offer with 3 LPA to 4 LPA respectively. Skills which are required for the particular opportunity are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, API testing, React.js. Along with the mandatory skills, optional are Git, GitHub, MySQL, API hosting. Extra benefit along with the stipend include certificate of internship completion, letter of recommendation, flexible working hour, my all-time favorite job offer, and along with stipend, performance bonus is also include. Responsibility will include developing responsive UIs using React.js, convert Figma design into functional component, integrate APIs and handle dynamic data, collaborating with the design and backend team, ensure performance and representative and clean code. Requirement for this opportunity are as follow. Number one, you must be proficient in JavaScript, React.js, HTML, and CSS. Second point, you must be having good experience with API handling and JSON data. Next point, you must be having basic understanding of front end back end communication. Fourth point, familiarity with Git and tools like Postman, which is very common nowadays. And last point, that is bonus, React Router, Tailwind, CSS, Firebase, or GitHub portfolio. Hiring process will be simple. First of all, you will be getting shortlisted after the application based upon your resume and portfolio. Then you will, after that task, you will be getting assessment
then interview, then internship offer. And during the internship, if the company finds you right and you and find that you are the good fit for this role, then you will be getting PPO for the top performing interns. Next opportunity is in the backend development domain. It is also one of the best opportunity currently available in the market. It is from the work from home internship. Stipend is here a little bit more because, as you know, the payroll of the backend is much more from the front end in current market. Here you will be getting 20k to 25k as compared to 5 to 15k of the last opportunity, but it may varies upon the location, the work, the experience, the skills, and the company's budget. So it is not always backend will be having more, but it is very common that backend developers and are getting more paid, and the full stack are also getting more paid as compared to front end and backend in some of the cases. But it may varies upon the timing of the market and what is the current scenario. Back to the video, the duration is also same 3 months, and the mode of working is 7 to 8 hours per day. Year openings is only 2, and job offer is 3 LPA to 4.2 LPA. Here the year of graduation will play a role. Like if you're graduated in 2024 like me, or you will have graduated this year 2025, or you will graduate in the next year 2026, we all are eligible for this opportunity. Skills include Django, Python, API deployment, PostgreSQL. Options include Docker, Kubernetes, AIML, LangChain, Jupyter Notebook. Extra benefit are same as compared to the last opportunity. Certificate, LOR, flexible working hour, and job offer. Here a performance bonus is not included. So mark my word, you will be going to all of the opportunity. You can go with the responsibility like developing and maintaining backend services, API implementation and prompting, work with PostgreSQL, integrate third party APIs. Requirement is also given like Python, Django REST framework, RESTful APIs, ORM, serial ledger query optimization, VCS, like Git version control system, like Git authentic system. Offer, you can also go through the offer part. Third opportunity is in the full stack development. Here 8 to 10k, 7 to 8 hours working per day. The company is Digilabs. It is located in Lucknow, India, but from the comfort of your home you can go. Here also the similar benefit like LOR certificate, flexible working hour, performance bonus. Here hiring process is somewhat different. Like here, firstly you will be getting assessment. You have to complete within 48 hours. Then final interview, that is like technical and behavior, and then post interview they will be releasing the result within 2 to 3 days respectively. And fourth opportunity is also in the same domain. You can go for all the opportunities, and it is somewhat similar with each other. I will be sharing you all the links in the video description, so you can apply for free. You can apply for all of the opportunities. There is no restriction for the application, and we are not charging single penny. Also, if you want your resume review or and your LinkedIn profile optimization and resume part, then you can contact me or my team, or you can also directly message me on LinkedIn. I will be happy to help you. You can also avail our services. We are providing very best services in the market, so you can have a try, and it is very affordable, starting from 200 rupees per service. So you can definitely go for it. Thank you so much. I will be seeing the next video with another opportunity very soon. Till then, take care and bye.